How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to be talking about engineered hardwood. Well, let's take a look. We have 4 great engineered hardwood flooring options in stock, starting out as low as 99 cents a square foot. But what makes engineered hardwood really awesome is that for people who live in condos or HOAs that have soundproofing requirements and don't allow solid hardwood, this is a perfect substitution. It looks and feels like real hardwood, except it's a little bit different of a construction. It's got this veneer layer on top, which is stained and is real hardwood, but the rest of the construction allows for better soundproofing, and so your downstairs neighbors aren't hearing you walk around super heavy footsteps, which is why a lot of HOAs do not allow solid hardwood. Now, we work with a lot of people in HOAs and condos. We even do a lot of downtown work in high-rise buildings installing engineered hardwood. Now, these are the 3, or it's actually 4 options that we have in stock. Look at these huge stacks. We got a few $1.49 options. We got this great one for 99 cents, a nice dark. This one and this one. But we're going to hop over to our showroom and show you some awesome special order options too. All right, here we are at the special order engineered hardwood rack. We've got quite a few different engineered hardwood options in stock. We've got your light, natural colors. We've got some darker browns, some lighter browns, and we've got some grays too. With a few different textures, but it looks and feels like real hardwood. Again, benefits, when you have an HOA, this is how you can achieve that awesome hardwood look and feel while also meeting their specific requirements. And also, as a reminder, we do offer installation services. We have really great installers on staff. And when it comes to some of these HOAs and larger condo buildings and high rises in downtown Chicago, you want to go with a company that has experience working in these buildings with different permits and insurances. We have all that. We'd love to come out and give you a free estimate. So we're going to put that information in the comments. But who wouldn't want awesome engineered hardwood? This would look great in your downtown penthouse and your nice high rise. But yeah, give us a call or message us, and we'd love to help you out with your project.